Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. While modeling this component, first I'm going to start with the bottom plate. I'm going to create this sketch and extrude along the length of 85 mm. Then I will create these two cylinders. Then I will create this plate. Then I will create these two holes and these two holes. So this is a very simple model. So after creating this model, it will look like this. Now we'll model this component using Creo Parametric. First go to New, Solid Part, untick this Use Default Template, save OK. Our model in mm, so choose mm part solid absolute, save OK. I'm just switching on all the planes. Now I just want to model this component. For easy creating the model, I just keeping this picture left side. Now we'll start with the bottom plate with 140 mm length and 18 mm thickness. I'm just taking the right plane, sketch view. We can create center lines. Now press the roller to confirm. Now I will take a corner rectangle, symmetric, I'm just keeping it. Total length is 140 and height is 18. Go to fit screen. Now just save OK. Now I have created the sketch. Go to extrude. Make it symmetric. I just want to extrude up to the length of 85. Save OK. Now I have created this bottom plate. Then I will create this cylinder. Here select the surface, sketch view. I'm just taking the left side surface reference and this top surface as a reference. Close, take a circle. So here you can see from the left side the center is 20 and height is 38. Height is 38 from the top surface and this distance is 20. And the diameter of the bigger circle is, here they have specified 40. Now I have created this. Now we just want to extrude this cylinder into the length of 25 mm. Just say OK. Extrude. Change the direction. This length is 24. Press the roller to confirm. Now we'll create one more cylinder here. Select the surface. Sketch view. Right side we just want to make circle. From the top surface, its dimension is 100. Here you can see. And from the left side it is the dimension of 50 mm. So go to dimension. From here to here, this one is 50. And the diameter, the bigger cylinder diameter is 55. Now everything we have specified. Just say OK. Extrude. Variable. Go to options. One side it has a variable. The outer side it has 12 mm. Here you can see this side surface we have created. Total thickness we just want to extrude is 36. This is 12 and here they have mentioned 12. So 12 and 12 plus outside 12. So here it is 12 and here also variable. This one is 24. Just say OK. Now we have created these two cylinders. Now we'll create the plate here. For that select this surface, sketch view. Now take a line. Here we just want to make it as a tangent. Later we'll do it. Here, from here, similarly take one more line here and connect it here. Then here we just want to connect it here. Then close it. Then take a circle, take an arc, center and ends, this point, and this point. Similarly, center, this point, and this point. Now we just want to make it tangent. Select this one. These two should be tangent. Coincident, delete it. So this is removing, just delete it. Delete this one. Now make a tangent here. These two should be tangent. Control Z. Take a line, make a tangent. Now you can see it is tangent. Here already it's tangent. Here also we can make a tangent. Before, just delete the circle. These two should be a tangent. Now it is already tangent. Now go to delete segments, delete this edge. Now we just want to make a circle by using arc. This point to this point. Similarly here, this point to this point. Now the sketch is closed. Here you can see it is a tangent here. Here we just want to make a round. Here it is straightly connected. Just say OK. Extrude. Extrude in inside direction. Thickness is 12. Here they have specified it. Just say OK. Now we can directly make a round here. Select this round. Select this edge. Round radius is 25. Just say OK. Now we just want to make a holes. Here there is 2 holes. Similarly we just want to make 2 holes here, and one more cut we just want to make it here. First we'll start with here. Select the surface, sketch, sketch view, reference, make this as a reference, just close, take a corner rectangle. Now they have given 18 and 18, so dimension from here to here it is 18. Similarly from here to here this is to 18, and the height is 3. Just say OK, extrude, change the direction, and to next press the roller to confirm. See, completely it is removed. Now we'll start with the holes. Here there is a 2 hole. Directly we can go for standard holes. Select this surface and press the control and select this axis. Now we can specify diameter as well as depth. The diameter of this is 18. Already it is 18. This is to next. Say OK. Similarly here, take a hole, select the surface, press the control and hold and select this axis. Now the diameter is 30 and depth to next. Say OK. Now we just want to make a hole here. Select the surface, sketch, sketch view, circle. Now here they have specified from the left side surface to the center of the hole is 35, and here they have specified from the bottom surface to the center of the surface 30. Let's go to dimension. From here to here it is 30, and from here to here it is 35. Now the diameter is, here they specify 16. 16. The same hole has to be mirrored here. Now just select this circle, go to mirror, select this one, it is mirrored here, just say OK. Now just go to extrude, change the direction to next, say OK. Now we have completely modeled this machine component. Just unselect all, shading with edges, standard orientation. So this one is our model. So this is the orientation they have given. Now just go to the views. We can change the color also. I'm just changing more appearance. Metal. Just close. We can apply it to the complete part. Save OK. Now just go to the application, Render Studio. So this way we can see the component. So this is our model. So thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.